Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert or type balance scale icon or symbol in MS Word using keyboard shortcut key. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For this, first of all open your MS Word. Then type here 2696. After typing 2696, press on Alt X. You can see here balance scale icon or symbol has been inserted. You can increase size also. Select this one. Change color also. Select any one which you want. If you want copy paste, select all, then copy, then paste, then change color. That's it guys. So in this way you insert or type balance scale icon or symbol in MS Word with using keyboard shortcut key. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.